Welcome to All Things Food. I'm John Woods, the channel where we not only love to cook, but we cook to love. And I have a great Southern recipe for you today. Southern sausage and cabbage. And I'm going to kick it up a notch. I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's get cooking. First thing I do, I'm going to warm up my pot here, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil, not much, a little high smoke point oil. I like to use the old avocado oil. I don't need much in there, just want to get my bacon started a little bit. And now I'm going to come over here and take my bacon, and I've chopped up some bacon, and this is optional, totally optional, if you don't want to use the bacon. So we're going to throw that in there. Render that down just a little bit. I'm going to put the heat on kind of a medium heat and let that render down real slowly. We've rendered down our bacon a little bit. Now I'm going to take my kielbasa, and you can use any kind of kielbasa that you want. My wife likes turkey kielbasa. I've kind of negated the health part of this by putting the bacon in, but that's going to give me a lot of really good flavor. So we're going to put that kielbasa in there, and what we're going to do is we're going to brown that, and it's going to help bring a lot more flavor into our dish. So we're going to cook that for a few minutes, and we'll come right back. See how we're browning this up? We're getting that Maillard reaction on it. It's a little harder to do with turkey sausage or kielbasa, but it's coming right along. I'm going to take my onions and I'm going to dump them in here. And right now I'm going to add a little bit of water to deglaze this pan some. About a cup of water. While all this is simmering, I'm going to throw in a couple cloves of garlic and let them kind of poach in there. And let that cook probably about 5 minutes. Get everything nice and tender, loosen up that garlic a little bit. I got it on about a medium heat. Now let me know about your Southern cabbage recipe and sausage recipe. This is a really great recipe. It's so simple, you cannot mess it up. Kind of put your own little spin on it, tell me all about it, because I'm going to show you some little tricks that I have that I think will really elevate this dish. You're going to love it. It's a one-pot meal. It feeds a lot of people very inexpensively. I want you to tell me all about your experience. This has been simmering about 5 minutes, and all those flavors have melded together. You see we deglazed that pan, that fond is up, mixing in with our sausage and our onions and our garlic. Now what I'm going to do now is take a little bit of my favorite little seasoning, and you've seen me use this 100 times, better than bouillon. Remember, it has salt in it. I'll stir about 2 tablespoons in there. That adds a lot of flavor to this dish. See how all that's mixed in really nice and thick, almost like a gravy down in there? And those flavors, the aroma in this room is just unbelievable right now. Now here's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and take our secret little ingredient here. These are the turnips that I've diced or chopped or cut, and they're pretty big pieces because they're going to cook down a little bit. Let's go ahead and throw those in there. It goes right down in the bottom. Now I'm going to add my apples, and you can see they're, again, pretty large pieces because they're going to cook down. And this is going to add a lot of flavor to this dish. Go ahead and pour those in there. Put in our apples, we put in our turnips, and those are the secret ingredients I have because I think it elevates this dish to a whole new level. It makes it a one-pot meal. My family loves this, and they wanted me to cook this today. And so what we're doing now, we're taking all those ingredients and we're just going to let them simmer in here. Watch your water level. If it starts to get dry on you, go ahead and put a little bit more water or chicken broth in it. But we want the turnips and the apples to tenderize and get a little soft before we add our cabbage. What I have here is about 1.5 heads of cabbage. We like to eat this at our home, so we'll probably have it for dinner tonight and then lunch tomorrow. I'm going to take that and all those, put it right on top of here. Stir it in, because this cabbage is going to cook down quite a bit. I'm going to take a little bit of salt and add to this because it'll help sweat that cabbage down and give us some more moisture in there. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water or chicken stock, whatever you want to add in there, just maybe about a cup or so. Put the lid on this, and we're going to come back and we're going to have some good Southern sausage and cabbage. I can hardly wait. That cabbage has been simmering in here about 30 minutes. We're going to take it out, check it out. It looks nice and tender. I'll tell you what, I wish you could smell everything that I'm smelling right now. It's incredible. This is a great dish. I'll tell you what, Southern cabbage and sausage, you don't get any better than this. And we kicked it up a little bit with those apples and turnip greens. Get you some pepper sauce, a good piece of cornbread. Watch my cornbread video. That'd be perfect with this. I'll tell you what, we're going to have some good Southern eating right here today. Doesn't that look just fabulous? Wasn't that a simple one-pot recipe, everything in one pot? It was so easy. Probably took about an hour at the most getting everything together. Be sure to like this video today. If you like Southern food, really like the video, subscribe to the channel. We bring you great videos like this every week. I'll tell you what, this is the channel where we not only love to cook, we cook to love. And go out this week and love cooking some Southern style sausage and cabbage.